Alright, today I'm going to show you how to add chlorine bleach into a washing machine to wash clothes. Right here I have chlorine bleach. This is made by Clorox. This is their No-Splash formula, which says that it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Whitens, brightens, deodorizes, and it is in a easy to pour and control solution. All right, so right here I have my washing machine. This is a front-loading washing machine, as you can see. This is actually Samsung, but you can use this method on a variety of different other washing machines. Okay, so what I have going on right here, I have an empty washing machine, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add the clothes. But if you have a laundry detergent pods and not liquid or powder, you'll want to add the pod to the drum first and then the clothes. But since I'm not using pods, I'm just going to go ahead and add my white clothes right here. All right, so I'm adding white clothes to my washing machine. And it's important to know I'm using chlorine bleach on the white clothes. Do not use chlorine bleach on colored clothes because it will, in fact, bleach them and make them white. Okay? Nothing wrong with white. Don't get me wrong. White is cool, but it's going to turn the colored clothes white. You don't want that. All right, so I have the clothes in there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shut the door to the washing machine. After I've done that, I'm going to come up to the detergent drawer, pull it out, and you see right here there are a number of compartments, okay, and each of them are labeled. And the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and add the detergent first. You can see right here it says detergent. Let me get in right here so you can see this a little bit better. It says detergent right here, liquid, okay? So it has liquid detergent, says pour in here. And so down here I have liquid detergent. I'm going to add that first. I'm using Paracel Advanced Clean. I'm going to use the appropriate amount for the white clothes that I'm washing. I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in there, okay? So now I have the detergent in there. And I'm also using Downy Ultra Soft Calm fabric softener. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there next. All right, so I'm going to pour that, try to do it gently inside the fabric softener compartment. See, it says fabric softener right there. And I also have something down here. It's called Enzyme Laundry Booster. Now, I need to add this directly to the drum. I forgot to do that, so I'm just going to open up this right here and add that to the drum. And what this does is it breaks down the proteins, carbohydrates, and fats that are embedded in the clothes, which will allow the clothes to get cleaner and, in fact, brighter. All right, so I have that in there. Okay, so once I have all that stuff in there, I'm going to do the bleach. Now, you see this compartment down here? It says bleach. Right here, for that, it's way in the back down here for this one right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add bleach. And you're probably wondering how much. Well, it has a leveler right here. This is the top of this is the max. It'll show you that is the maximum amount that you can put up when it comes up to this right here. But for Clorox, it says for clothes, white clothes, you only need to add 1/3 of a cup. And if you look on the back of it, it will show you whitening and brightening for clothes. It says 1/3 of a cup in a standard or HE, which is high efficiency washing machine. That's what I have. I have a high efficiency washing machine, 1 cup. It has 3/4 cups for a standard machine when it comes to sanitizing, and 1/3 cup for high efficiency machine when it comes to sanitizing. So essentially, I'm going to be getting sanitizing, cleaning, and whitening and brightening because I have an HE machine right here, and I'm going to be just using 1/3 cup. So it's knocking out 2 birds with one, or is it 1 bird with 2? I don't know the analogy, but I'm just going to go ahead and pour the bleach in. I'm going to eye it. I pretty much know how much 1/3 cup is, but I suggest you get a measuring cup before you, and then pour it in. So I'm going to get this, make sure, get 1/3 cup in there. All right. And if you spill it anywhere, make sure to wipe it up before you start washing, or after you wash it. Just make sure you clean it up so it's not any spilled anywhere. So once you have it in there, you're going to go ahead and shut this. And then I'm going to go ahead, turn on my washing machine, and then I'm going to select my cycle. It's going to be a normal cycle. I'm going to do an extra rinse, probably extra spin, I'm going to do Eco Warm, try to save the planet, and then normal wash right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and start it, okay? Press it like that. And then it's going to start, and it's going to dispense the bleach at the appropriate time into the wash for it to get white and clean. It's going to dispense the fabric softener and laundry detergent at the appropriate time for it to get clean. Now, this is just a guide. You'll want to read the instructions for your own particular washing machine and for the type of bleach that you're using, what they recommend, and follow that to the T. This video is just a guide to show you a glimpse of it, but follow the instructions of the manufacturers of both the bleach and the washing machine. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.